JHS 3 Series Fuzz. JHS made a line of pedals that are plain as a piece of paper. The idea is simple, the quality is better than you think, and this might be one of my favorite fuzz pedals other than that Behringer one that I never use. Thank you JHS for making pedals that are half the price. You're a shoo-in for my Joe Biden stimmy money.
All right! Woo! Yes!
Do you ever feel like every time we start a new batch of videos, it feels like a new season of a show or something?
Absolutely. How many? For those of you at home or on the toilet or on the International Space Station, how many people do you think
Watch these videos?
Sure. And from where?
My mom.
My mom doesn't even watch my stuff.
Hi, Mom. How many people watch this or what?
I had a question.
There's no way. There's no way to know how many people subscribe to a YouTube channel.
That's fair because you have lurkers and
stuff.
stuff.
Way to know. No, there's no way to know.
I was gonna say something, but
there's
I don't.
No number.
I don't remember.
No button anybody can press. None whatsoever.
I just want to know what love is, and I want you to show me.
I've been trying to. JHS showed us the way that they love us by making pedals that looked like they're issued by the government, like a future government.
Yeah.
Like they're Soylent Green inside of these pedals.
The nice part about it is because the white canvas is so large that if there was a missing child, they could just print it right onto the pedal. But it's also kind of an insult because then every time you engage it, you're stepping on that missing child's face.
I think the child deserves it. You big dumb idiot, you went missing. I always love the billboards that say, do you know where your child is while you're driving? I just imagine some parent just going, fuck.
So did I leave the stove on? Where's my child?
Oh shit, where's Jimberly? That's a hybrid name I made up.
Do you know my favorite thing about this particular pedal though is the bonus feature that we got with it.
What was that?
The radio.
Oh, the radio. Yeah, it did pick up KFBK. I don't know what the fuck was going on with that, but that was like a cool, fun party in my fingers. Just being able to touch it and conjure up talk radio 650. That was the AM station.
Was it KFBK?
KFBK 650, yeah, the local AM station. Little right-wingy. My dad, it's the station my dad would listen to while we were,
What they were yelling about stimulus money through our amplifier.
Man, who hates stimmies? This is a great pedal review that we're doing right now. JHS, this is a great pedal. It did pick up a little fun party in my fingers. That was the radio. But what do you think of it as like a fuzz pedal? It feels. How much are these pedals? These are like $100, right?
They're $199.99.
They just kind of split their usual fare right in half. So I think the idea is really cool. Just sort of like a homogeneous sort of line.
I like that they didn't go with a generic fuzz. Like like a Big Muff or something. They went with something that has a lot of character. It has that
kind of their
gated
own brand.
Yeah, it's got that gated reverby Jack White kind of thing where it almost sounds like it's always just on the verge about to fall apart. You know what I mean?
Somebody once said something about fuzzes being like zippers, and now I can't hear a zipper. Or now I can't hear a fuzz without thinking it does sound exactly like a zipper.
That's true.
Take that for what you want.
It's like the Arrow and FedEx.
Too fast, too fuzz.
Too fast, too fuzz. But overall, you like the pedal?
Yeah, $100. I think it's great. Honestly, I think my $30 Behringer pedal is better. To be.
Do you know why? Because you can have three of them.
I wish I did.
In
a row.
Yeah.
That'd be triple the fuzz.
Do you think if 2020 was a pedal board, it would be 7 DS1s in a middle zone?
No, it would be a shitty Fender delay that I got for free that sounded not great, totally unusable, had a racing stripe on it, I feel like, for some reason. And I hated it. And you know what? I left it on a shelf, just like we're leaving 2020 on the shelf of our hearts. Fuck you, 2020, and everything that happened in it, except for, what's the one good thing that happened for you in 2020?
Built the studio.
Built the studio.
Got back together with my girlfriend.
I was hoping for a joke.
It was a good year. I wore sweatpants more than I've ever wore sweatpants.
Man, it sounds like it's only pros for 2020.
Mm-hmm. I smoked weed and played video games.
At the same time?
No. I can't walk and chew gum, dude.